The biggest threat to your hearing isn't your exhaust. It's not your mate's straight pipe KTM. It's not the traffic. It's the wind blasting around your helmet while you're having the time of your life. The moment you get on a motorcycle, almost everything is trying to make you smile. The scenery, the corners, the engine, the freedom. But the wind doesn't care. It's there every single ride, quietly trying to destroy your hearing. I recently measured 150 decibels on my bike, and that's what got me thinking. Most of the protective gear we wear is there for the day something goes wrong. Your helmet, your boots, your jacket, armor, maybe everything else, the vest, they're all designed to protect you in a crash for when it happens. That's passive protection. But hearing protection is different. Hearing protection is active protection because it protects you every single time you ride. Not when you crash, not when things go wrong, every ride. And before somebody says, just buy a quiet helmet, there's no such thing as a quiet helmet. It doesn't exist. Some helmets are quieter than others, but at highway speeds, you still got the wind hammering you from every direction. The bike, the windscreen, crosswinds, your riding position, your shoulders. All of it creates turbulence and noise. And wind doesn't care what logo is in front of your helmet. The scary part is that you don't feel the damage happening. There's no pain, no warning light, no dashboard message telling you your hearing is slowly being worn away. The damage happens little by little. One day you realize you can't hear as well as you used to, or you start hearing that ringing in your ears. And then there's the tinnitus, you know, those guys. I've already got tinnitus, so the damage is done. Mate, that's like saying you've already got sunburn, so the sunscreen is pointless. If you've got tinnitus, you've already got the warning signs. That's not a reason to stop protection for your hearing. But if you already got tinnitus, congratulations, you've discovered what hearing damage sounds like, and it's a bad thing. Here's something most riders don't realize. Earplugs aren't only about protecting your hearing. They actually make riding better. Without earplugs, your brain is constantly processing a wall of noise. Hour after hour, your senses are being bombarded with unnecessary information. It's tiring, it's stressful, and it creates fatigue. Most riders who start using proper motorcycle earplugs say exactly the same thing. They arrive less tired, more relaxed, more focused, and they can ride comfortably for longer. Now, when it comes to earplugs, not all of them are equal. The cheap foam plugs work, but they block out almost everything. You lose awareness of your surroundings. You use them a few times and they end up in the bin. Then you've got electronic earplugs and noise cancelling systems. Those have their place, but many riders end up isolating themselves from the world around them. Plus they need batteries, charging, and all the other nonsense that comes with electronics. Personally, I prefer filtered earplugs, like the Alpomans. They reduce the harmful wind noise while they're still allowing you to hear the engine, the traffic, the conversations. You stay connected to what's happening around you, and it's make it safer. They're reusable, they last for years. They've made from a soft hypoallergic thermoplastic material. They don't need batteries, charging cables, or app and software updates. You put them in and they just work. The irony is that riders will spend thousands on gear for a crash that might never happen and hopefully never happens. Yet, many still ride without protecting the one thing that's definitely taking a beating every single time they head down the road. Your hearing loss doesn't grow back. It's irreversible. You need to protect them for whatever chance you can get. This is why we still use Alpine earplugs. It's got an attenuation filter. It lets low attenuation sounds you can hear around you, but the moment you go over 80, 90 kilometers an hour, you can hear the noise cuts down. You can still hear your music through your intercom system. You can hear people talk when you want to take a call. But it's still one of the best types of earplugs and uses that you can use, and it only costs a fraction of what you will pay for anything else. And it's something that protects your hearing every single time you get on a bike. Don't be stupid. Use earplugs.